We're here right now in California, and we just came in to get a bite to eat, and we met a special girl. Her name's Lulu.
Yes.
And by the way, your name in Arabic means what?
Pearl.
Pearl.
Yeah, my name is Guadalupe. I was named after La Virgen de Guadalupe, you know, the Mexican virgin. But yeah, I just chose Lulu because, I don't know.
And what's really nice, in Arabic, Lulu is something very precious that you should take care of. And that maybe is why Allah is taking care of her. And let her see some of our videos.
Yeah.
And then she became a Muslim. Allahu Akbar. We're so proud of you, Lulu.
Yeah.
And may Allah always keep you in His care and make it so everything is easy for you and give you the paradise. I mean.
All right, thank you.
And get guided with Guidance TV.